I mean, yeah, it was no Clone Wars, but I didn't think it was that bad. It was pretty good.
Dude, it was so bad. Did you see? Sneeze. You cannot abandon me like this. Do you know how humiliating it is to have to sneeze and not be able to in front of your friends? You get down my nose and out my nostrils right now!
In those hours of suffering and solitude and half delirium that he spent after being wounded, the more he pondered the new principle of eternal love revealed to him, the more, though without feeling it himself, he renounced earthly life.
You need to get out of my nasal passage right now, with a bang!
Prince Andre lies dying, and you would have me come out your nose?
Sneeze. Here we are in that timeless moment where all conversation stops and everyone politely waits for someone to sneeze. This is your moment. Enter the stage, sir.
How many times have I been sprayed out of your facial orifices? How many times have I been naught but spittle?
You're nothing. You're a reflex.
I have a soul. I do wish to express myself with words.
Your father is pollen. Your mother is dust. Your nemesis is Zyrtec.
I would wish to say a word that wasn't responded with, Gesundheit. God bless you.
Please, put away your literature. Be what you are, a sneeze.
No. No, you're going to do what you always do. Affect a weak cough. And apologize and continue on embarrassed. When in that first time he remembered that he had to die, he said to himself, well, so much the better.
Was that a cough or a sneeze? What are you trying to do? So anyway, back to
Curse you, sneeze!
So here's the idea that I'm thinking of. We start off with just like some mundane conversation. I was talking.